Guys, Miss Biz here, ready to talk to you about some more of NTI for this week. Today, I'm going to talk to you about both day 16 and day 17 because they go together. So, for day 16, you are going to read a play called The Lion and the Mouse. That play is copied in your packet, and hopefully in your packet at home it looks great. But if it doesn't, or if you're trying to access it online and it's pretty dark, you can go to our school website, freedom4thgrade.weebly.com. And I went ahead and copied a little link for you there. And if you follow that link, it has the whole play, The Lion and the Mouse, where you can read it a lot better. So, with that, on day 16 today, really all you're doing is answering questions about this play. So I would read these questions first, then I would read the play. And as I was reading the play, I would try to answer the questions, use good strategies like crossing off answers that don't make sense and all of that. So that's it for today. 8 short questions. Now for tomorrow, just like we learned about the elements of poetry on day 15, we're going to learn and identify the elements of dramas or plays. And you're going to do that with the play, The Lion and the Mouse. So on day 17, tomorrow, you should reread that play to refresh your memory. Okay. And I want to talk to you about the elements or drama that you're going to identify on this play. So, first of all, we've got stage directions. Those tell the actors or the actresses what to do on stage. I have here another example of a different play for you guys, and I wanted to show you some of the stage directions. And you guys know this because we've done plays together before, like in Iona the Brave, but just to refresh your memories, right there in parentheses where it says clapping, that's telling the actors that they need to clap during that scene. Right here, chuckling, okay? That sort of thing. So any of those that have parentheses, here's one, to himself. So that tells the actor they need to be saying that to themselves. Those are stage directions. So when you read the play, The Lion and the Mouse, it asks you to circle the stage directions. So that's something I'm going to need you to do is to go back and circle any of the stage directions that you find at all on The Lion and the Mouse. Next, we've got a cast of characters, okay? That lists the characters who are in the play. Right here, we've got them. Narrators, we know those are the people telling the story. There can be more than one. And we've got the other characters as well. So when you go and you find the cast of characters in The Lion and the Mouse, I want you to put a box around that, okay? Let's erase that. I like all these fun tools, okay? The next thing it talks about is the dialogue or the script. Remember, dialogue is characters talking to each other. So in a drama or a play, the dialogue is really just the conversation, each character's line. Okay. We've got actors and actresses. Those are the people acting out the characters. Most plays are meant to be performed on stage with an audience. Just like in class, we perform them in the front of the room with an audience. A lot of times they have costumes. The actors wear costumes or carry props with them. Here's another thing you're going to need to know for your play today. The settings usually change. Remember, the setting is when or where it's taking place. There's typically a new setting in each actor's scene. Now, here it says that you're going to need to put a star next to the setting of each scene. Okay, so let me show you an example of that with a different play. Right here, you see that the setting is the Great Hall of the Imperial Palace. That's where that scene is. You'd put a star right there. Here, it's at the palace gate. You'd put a star right there. So put a star next to every setting that you see for each scene. The last thing to do is to write the lesson or the theme of this play and explain how you know. Remember, the lesson or the theme is the moral or the lesson that the character took away at the end of the story. Examples like forgive others, treat people the way you want to be treated, share what you have and don't be greedy, right? So whatever you find the theme or lesson of this play to be, I want you to write it right here and explain how you know that. Gives some good evidence. So a couple more things. There are acts and scenes in dramas and plays. They're like the chapters in a story. New big events are coming. Plays can be fiction or nonfiction. Sometimes they have real events that they're depicting, and they can have lessons or themes like you're going to find in our play today. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. See you later.